You know what really grinds my gears? You know when you get a new camera and you're just trying to learn it, right? You get in the log format on this camera and you're like, it's gonna look so great. You got all this dynamic range. And then when you're looking through this LUT, you're like, oh my God, everything in this image right now looks washy-wash, right? So I went about making my own correction LUT. Let me show you a few examples. Every single scene you're gonna see here, unmanipulated, untouched. So check these samples out, tell me what you think. Check it out, man. See what you think. Click the link below.